Hey everybody, welcome to this brand new video today. My name is Marissa, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to get started with affiliate marketing, but not only that, how to create your first $1,000 simply with using affiliate marketing. So I'm going to be talking about a 3-step process that I use and that I highly recommend to each and every one of you getting started. So go ahead and stay tuned for this video right after this. Alright, welcome back to this video, you guys. Today I'm pretty excited to talk about the 3 steps that really helped me with my journey in affiliate marketing, and I was able to do a complete 180 with my business because I followed these steps, and I'm about to share them. But first, if you're new to this channel, welcome. And what you can expect on this channel is me teaching everybody how to build an online business, no matter what level you are currently at, no matter what part of your journey you are currently at. So whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or expert marketer, I think there's something on this channel for everybody. Not only that, I include different types of self-growth topics and also footage from my worldwide travels. So if any of that resonates with you, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I upload very consistently. And of course, if you guys are excited about making your first $1,000 online, go ahead in the comments type in $1,000 because I want to know what people want to hear about more, so that when I create my next videos I can go more into depth about whatever it is I talk about today. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on the 3 steps. And step number 1 is actually something to not do. And I share number 1 because this is why 95% of people fail in the beginning of affiliate marketing. It's exactly why I failed. And that is because people are driving traffic to the wrong type of traffic straight to products. So do not drive traffic straight to a product, because people are not online looking to buy products. People don't want to buy products. They're not interested in that. What they're interested in is buying results, and I'll talk about that a little bit later in this video. But here's where people mess up. They don't have any authority built. They don't have a brand. They sometimes invest into cold traffic and drive it, straight to a product, straight to an affiliate link without, even having a simple funnel set up, right? And that never, 100% will never work, because people do not trust when they come to a page with a product that they're unfamiliar on how they got there, and they're unfamiliar with the brand and the person or the company that brought them there. And so it's pretty much a lose-lose situation, and you miss the sale. You also miss the sale because when you drive traffic straight to a product, straight to a link, you have no way of capturing who that person is, who that potential future customer could be. And so it's the worst thing to do, whether you're doing free traffic or free traffic or paid traffic to a product. Do not send your traffic straight to a product. You have to, at least at the minimum, set up a simple sales funnel page or what we call an opt-in page for people to enter in their email so that you can capture it and start building a list. But that's a little bit off topic of this first point. And I have plenty other videos on sales funnels and email marketing. I can leave the playlist down below. And so what I'm going to talk about now is my second tip, which brings me to step number 2 in creating your first $1,000 in sales with affiliate marketing. And that is to start driving the right traffic to a system or a product or whatever service it is you're promoting. And let me tell you why number 2 is so important. Why? So let's talk about what driving the right traffic means. The right traffic means you are starting to build a brand around whatever niche it is you're promoting in. So, the hot niches with affiliate marketing are, of course, make money online, the biz opportunity niche, fitness, wealth, relationships, and those type of niches. So what you have to do is be excited and be passionate about the niche that you're promoting, and you have to start building a brand around it, which means providing massive value to an audience every single day. So for example, this is what I do on my YouTube channel. I'm consistently posting topics that people are, searching for how to do. I'm answering people's questions on how to solve their problems with creating money or making money online. And the reason why this is necessary and very powerful is because when you're providing value and you're making yourself valuable in the marketplace, you're establishing the know, like, and trust factor with your audience. So this is why it is extremely important to start and lead with value, okay? And so of course, when you start to provide value, you're going to want to then set up your sales funnels, set up your landing pages and opt-in pages to collect the leads. And of course, you'll also want to set up a lead magnet or something that you can offer for free in exchange for somebody's name and email. And let me tell you why leading with value works every single time. Because when people come to a YouTube channel or an Instagram account or whatever it is, Pinterest, LinkedIn, whatever platform you're using to build your brand, when people see how much value you're talking about and presenting for free, they love that and naturally want to learn more on whatever it is you have to offer. So whatever lead magnet you have, they're naturally going to want to opt in and learn more from you. And that is right away what establishes the trust and like factor with the audience and the visitors that come and see your brand and see the consistent value that you're providing. So that was step number 2, is creating the right traffic by being valuable in the marketplace and picking a social media platform to provide value, preferably every single day, but as much as you can. The third step in creating your first $1,000 online, and that is results. And what that means specifically is promoting the results that you get with a specific service or product. Because again, going back to what I mentioned earlier in this video, people are interested in buying results. They don't want to buy a product. They want to buy knowledge on how to make their first dollar online. They want to buy a product that's going to show them how to get a boyfriend or a girlfriend if they're single. They're going to buy a product that helps them solve issues in their marriages. That is what people are interested in, is the results. So what that means for you is that any type of result that you get, no matter what, if it's your first sale, second sale, if you make your first $50 online, you have to explain how you got to those results. And the same thing applies if you're an affiliate marketer in the fitness niche or whatever it is. If you lost your first 5 pounds or your first 1% of body fat, you have to explain your process on how you were able to do it, because people need to start somewhere. And when people see that you're, being real with your journey and accepting where you are in your journey, and they can follow along, that those goals and those results, those milestones are achievable for them, and it's motivational. So that's really important that you document your journey, document your results, to help people understand how they can start and get those same results and follow in your footsteps. Because when you establish, when you have your brand in place, when you're giving value, when you start promoting and talking about your results, you can literally sell anything online. So to recap on the 3 steps that I talked about, number 1 is don't drive traffic straight to a product. Number 2, create the right traffic by leading with value with your brand. And number 3 is results. Whatever results you have, your first results, you need to start promoting it and documenting your journey and how you got to those results. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. Again, I have other videos on this channel that go into the more technical things about starting and building your online business, like sales funnels and email marketing and that stuff. And of course, if you guys are interested in learning more about everything I talked about and setting up your affiliate marketing business correctly, go ahead and click on the first link in the description, where I have an additional series of videos that you guys can check out, and I think you will really enjoy, okay? So with that being said, I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up if you did, and My name is Marissa Romero, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.